Welcome back to Bike Informers, your trusted source for the latest in the motorcycle world. Today, we're diving deep into the much-anticipated 2026 Honda CBR600RR, a legendary middleweight supersport machine that's making waves once again. With refined engineering, cutting-edge electronics, and race-inspired DNA, the new CBR600RR isn't just an update, it's a full-fledged comeback. Designed aggression meets aerodynamics. The 2026 CBR600RR carries a sharper, more aggressive design, heavily inspired by its MotoGP sibling, the RC213V. Its aerodynamic bodywork includes new winglets that increase downforce at high speeds, providing better stability during aggressive riding. LED lighting, a redesigned fairing, and a more compact tail section give it a premium and track-focused look, making it as beautiful as it is functional. Engine and performance, refined power. At the heart of the 2026 model is an updated 599 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine. While it retains the high-revving nature that CBR fans adore, Honda has fine-tuned the power delivery for more usable mid-range torque and compliance with 5 Euro plus emission standards. The result is a machine that pulls hard on the track but also feels refined and responsive on twisty backroads. Electronics race tech on the street. Honda has loaded the new CBR600RR with top-tier electronics. It now features a 6-axis IMU, enabling lane-sensitive ABS, traction control, wheelie control, and selectable riding modes. The 5-inch full-color TFT display gives riders access to telemetry, customization settings, and real-time performance data. It's a true leap forward for the 600 cubic centimeters class, giving riders MotoGP-level control in a street-legal package. Chassis and handling razor-sharp. Built on a lightweight aluminum frame, the CBR600RR is all about agility. A fully adjustable show, a big piston fork at the front, and a ProLink rear shock deliver incredible feedback and stability. Combined with its balanced chassis geometry, the bike offers exceptional cornering precision and confidence whether you're carving canyon roads or attacking the racetrack. Braking and tires, total control. Braking is handled by dual 310mm discs up front with radially mounted Nissan calipers and a single disc at the rear. Paired with advanced ABS, the system delivers sharp and consistent stopping power. Honda has also partnered with Pirelli to fit high-performance Diablo Rosso 4 tires, further boosting grip and handling. Final thoughts, a middleweight masterpiece. The 2026 Honda CBR600RR marks a powerful return for Honda in the middleweight supersport segment. With class-leading electronics, updated styling, and track-honed performance, it's a bike that honors its rich racing heritage while embracing modern innovation. Whether you're a seasoned rider or an adrenaline-seeking enthusiast, this bike is ready to thrill. Thanks for tuning into Bike Informers. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more two-wheeled news.